Hello, energetic anchors. Before you step onto the stage, listen to this. Anybody can announce, but only a smart anchor knows how to interact and control the audience. And today, I am going to give you the exact secret lines that makes the crowd clap louder, react faster, and stay fully connected with you from start to finish. You'll learn how to handle any audience like a pro. So get ready, because after watching this video, you are not just going to anchor, you are going to own the stage. Let's begin. Let's discuss simple questioning lines. Here I have provided you with 3 examples. First example, you can ask them like, can we start? Yes, yes, I want to hear a loud yes. Next question, hey, a quick question for you. Who's excited for today? Raise your hands or hands up. Next, third question, are you all ready? Yeah, then make some noise. Woohoo! Now let's discuss interacting with appreciation lines. First line, that clap was a fire. Keep that vibe going. Next one, wow, what a cute response. You are really amazing. The next point, that energy just hit different. Love it, love it. I think you watched our video this far because you found the content useful. Hey, make sure you subscribe our channel and smash the bell button to never miss any super useful videos. Have you subscribed? Yes, that's a smart act of your day. Now let's see fun and interaction lines. Guys, don't look at me like a maths exam. Just relax. And now the next one. If you smile right now, I promise your day will get 1% better. Hey friends, like this video. Your likes are great motivation to make more useful videos further. Please click that like button. Next, here I am giving you some participation lines we can use during. So the first one is, okay everyone, 3, 2, 1, clap like you really mean it. Next point, let's do a quick wave. I'm watching. Who is sleeping there? Next point, if you are excited for the next item, give me a loud yes. Do me one favor. Share this video with at least one friend who loves anchoring or stage events. Let's grow a confident new generation of anchors together. Let's discuss about the reaction lines. First one, aha, that is the energy I was waiting for. You nailed it. Next one, why so silent suddenly? Hey, say something. I'm getting scared. Next point, nice, nice. That response was smoother than butter. Alright, your turn now. Tell me in the comments, which type of audience scares you the most? Silent audience, overexcited audience, or the totally not listening audience? I'm waiting for your answer. Now let's discuss about calm interaction lines. First one, alright guys, shh, for a moment. Take a deep breath with me. In, out. Perfect. Next one, quiet, quiet. Settle down just a bit. We want this moment to be special. So sweet. Now we have reached to ending. So these are the ending interaction lines. The first one is, you guys were such a vibe today. Seriously, big love to all of you. Next point, before we end, give one final loud clap for yourselves. And the final one, okay fam, stay happy, stay loud, stay awesome. See you next time. Bye bye. And that's it for today's video. Remember, anchoring is not about speaking, it's about connecting. Use these lines practice them, and watch how your audience falls in love with your confidence. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep shining and keep anchoring like a star.